Hi, welcome. So in this video, I will show you how you can use this LG Magic Remote that comes with your LG TV. It is different from the standard remote as you can see when put side by side. This size is different because they uses different kinds of batteries and the Magic Remote has extra functional buttons. I'm going to talk about it soon. The first thing that you can do with LG Magic Remote is that you can access apps from the home launcher buttons. Using the pointer or scroll from the remote to go through your list of apps or click buttons still can do that. Next, the interesting part for movie lover is that it has shortcut to Netflix and Amazon Prime videos. We can go anyway, anytime you want in one simple action instead of going through the menu. And another shortcut is the Amazon Prime videos. And other than that is that you will have this quick access button too to access your other favorite apps. For example, I add YouTube buttons to number one or another apps to number two. For example, let's say YouTube. Okay, and for example, I took any apps. Is it a Korean? And say, let's say you are on the Netflix page and suddenly you want to watch YouTube. Okay, you go to Netflix and suddenly when you want to watch YouTube, just long press number one and voila, quick access from anyway. And we try another apps number two and one. If you think this video helps you, help us to like and subscribe for more videos like this. You can ask in comments below.